so much for coming. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. My name is Susito. I'm in Nigeria. I live in France. I hope you had a wonderful celebration. So today's video, guys, I'm about to film a makeup look. It belongs I film a makeup video. Like, why am I doing my hand like this? Anyways, that's my signature. I bought a new palette that I want to try out. Ta-da! I saw a YouTuber reviewing this.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain. More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain.
This is top. Colors that you can just put together and go with the new lipstick. Simple lipstick, you are good to go. Your eye will be doing the talking. Look at this. This is the simplest eyeshadow I've done, honestly. A darker color of green eyeshadow. Corner, I just applied here. And lighter color, use it to blend the darker one. And simple as ABCD. ABCD. So pigmented, it's just a little like this. The thing was just popping. Whereas in some eyeshadow, you need to use an eyeshadow paper. You can brand it too much. Thank you guys for watching my video. Just let me know in the comment section if you want me to create more of eye makeup look using this same palette. Just let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.